All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have some Ghostek cases here for the Samsung Galaxy S23. These are the Atomic Slim cases, and Ghostek was kind enough to send these out for review. I do have a custom code that I will put down in the description, and if you use my promo code ROY15, you'll save some money and support the channel at the same time. So I have 5 very different Ghostek Atomic Slim cases here. They vary by color, and then of course, then I have 2 right here that are more of kind of a special edition. As you can see, they are a little bit different, but what I wanted to do is go ahead and slap these on, and then of course, show you each of them installed, and then just kind of talk about the prices, and then I'll show you the website on my other phone as well. All right, so let's go ahead and just look at the very first one that's right here. So this is the Atomic Slim case, but as you can see, this is in the color red. It's gonna come in around $49 on the website, which here, let me show you real quick actually. So if you go to their website right here and go to the Atomic Slim, you can see where red is, there it is, and it's $49.98 on the website. And of course, like I said, just use my promo code and you'll save a little bit of money. But with this one here, you're getting 12 feet of drop protection with this case. It's a clear back. It's got a very nice, kind of like an aluminum frame. So it does feel very, very strong. Inside, you can see that very insane padding inside there, because like I said, it gets 12 feet of drop protection with this phone case. So it's very, very impressive. So let's grab the S23 here. And I usually start with the button side and then just push in, and that is it. So looking at the phone case, you can see, like I said, just kind of the different look of it. What I really like is that you can see the whole entire back. So with my Phantom Black S23, you get a really good look of it. You can see the Samsung logo right there. Has some Ghostek branding right there as well, which I really appreciate. And then what I really like is that camera bump design. It does say Atomic there, so obviously that is the branding of the case there. And you do get some really, really good lips that do go around the camera lenses there. So you're getting some great lens protection when you do place it back down. Looking at the sides here, you can see that we do have some raised volume up and down and power buttons. And this really nice textured side right here, it's a grip. So that way when you're holding the phone, which you can kind of see that design there, it's almost perfect where I'm placing my hands when I'm holding it. Looking at the bottom, you can see that we have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port and the speakers there, and it does continue with that red and black theme. And then going to this side, it's kind of the same as the other, obviously without any buttons, so you're still getting that nice grip right there. And then up at the top, we do have a circular cutout for the microphone. So looking at the screen and the lips that go around it, we do get some really good lip protection. So we are getting some really good protection when we do place it face down on some sort of surface. So all in all, guys, it looks fantastic. It's tempered glass friendly as well, as you can see there. So buttons are very tactile and responsive as well. So now let's go ahead and take this one off and let's slap on the black one. And taking it off is actually not that difficult. So I'm trying to do it. Normally I just kind of push it against my body, but instead I'm just using the table here. So we'll just kind of put that one to the side, and let's grab the black one. Lost too much in the weeds on this one since we already looked at the red one, but there's the black one installed. Looks really, really good. As you can see, the downside with the clear back is obviously you're gonna get smudges and stuff like that. If you got a shirt or something, you can wipe it down and get it looking brand new again. But I really like the black because it's just all murdered out looking, so it looks really, really good. Well, since I have this one on, let's go ahead and do kind of like a wobble test real quick. So face down, there is no shaking going on. And then back down, it is completely flat as well. So it is a very flat case. But there's the black one. So now let's go with the one that I normally wouldn't put on, but I've actually been using this one quite a bit because it just kind of grew on me. But let's slap that one on. Okay, so here is the prismatic color. And as you can see with just the different angles and the different lighting, it's just kind of like this chameleon. It's just one angle, it's purple, then you get some green, then you get some blue, then you get some orange. It's just a very unique looking case. The bumpers are gray, as you can see, but then of course it goes into this really cool pattern here, but then all the other outlines are gray as well. But like I said, if you just get a little bit closer look there, guys, you can see just that really cool color. All right, so next it's gonna be the Aramid fiber one. And I was really looking forward to this one because I had this one on my iPhone 13 Pro and I really liked it. One other thing I wanted to point out too is it does have this really nice felt inside of it. And as you can see too, with it being kind of a limited edition, we do get a number there. So this is number 48 out of 100. So let's get this slapped on, and there it is. And like I said, guys, this Aramid fiber feels very, very good up against the hand when you're holding it. One thing with Aramid fiber cases is that you don't have any fingerprint issues, but you will get plagued with every now and then smudges from the oils from your hands. So there is the Aramid fiber. So now let's go to the last one. Okay, and here is the gunmetal version. What I really like about this is the color combination. So at first, looking at it online, I didn't really think I would like it. Come on, the brown leather with a gunmetal gray side. I just didn't think it was gonna look good. But once I got it in my hands and put it on my S23, my tune changed a little bit. I really do think out of the bunch, even though I do like this one a lot, this has been probably my favorite. It's kind of like this really cool combo. You got this really nice leather back here, does give it a very premium feel, you know. So with this one, you know, it's kind of like the sophisticated rugged case, right? You got this high-end leather. It feels fantastic in the hands. It smells like leather. So just pulled an Austin Evans there. So it smells really good. So if you buy this phone case, do the smell test, comment down below and let me know, but it smells like real leather, and that's like one of my favorite smells ever. And then we do have the black here, which I really like. So same thing, the atomic branding, the lips, but then like I said, we do get this gunmetal frame, and it looks really, really, really good. All right, so got my Spigen Qi wireless charger here. So let's just set it here on the desk and set the phone down. And as you can see, it is Qi wirelessly charging the device. So this phone case definitely passes the wireless charging test, and it also will pass the reverse power share test, which I will just go ahead and show you real quick. So let's get the phone turned on. Let's go into the battery settings and then go to battery and then scroll down to wireless power share. Let's turn that on, flip it over. I'll grab my nothing earbuds, and there we go. As you can see, the red dot indicates that it is reverse power sharing as well. And we are also able to do contactless payments. So if you have Google Pay or Samsung Pay, then thumbs up, you're able to use it. And there we have it, guys. There is my review of the Atomic Slim cases for the Samsung Galaxy S23. So as you can see, you got some pretty cool cases here. You got some cool colors, and there are some other colors that I didn't even review. There's like pink, purple, gray, you name it. So definitely follow that link down in the description and use my promo code. It's Roy15 to save a little bit of extra money. But hopefully you enjoyed it, guys. And yeah, big thanks. So hit the like button if you liked this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.